If your lower back feels tight, your back might not be the problem. In many cases, your hips are not moving well, so lower back works too hard. Let me show you what I mean and what to do instead. Your hips are designed to move. They should bend, extend, and rotate when you walk, squat, or lift. If they get stiff from sitting, poor movement, or a lack of strength, your lower back starts to compensate. The back moves more than it should, so it tightens up to protect you. That tight feeling is often protection, not a call that you need more stretching. So instead of stretching your lower back, let's improve how your hips move. If you sit a lot, the front of your hips gets stiff. When that happens, your lower back extends more to make up for it. Here's what to do.
Get into a half kneeling position. Tuck your pelvis slightly. Now slowly shift your hips forward. You should feel the stretch in the front of your hip, not in your lower back. Move slowly in and out of the stretch. Breathe normally. Do 8 to 10 slow reps on each side.
This restores hip extension so your lower back doesn't have to overwork.
If you want to make it more advanced, elevate your back leg on a box or bench and repeat the same movement. You can also hold weights once the position feels stable.
Remember, if your glutes are not doing their job, your lower back takes over.
Lay on your back with your knees bent. Push through your heels and lift your hips. Pause at the top and squeeze your glutes, then lower slowly. Don't arch your lower back. If you feel it mostly in your back, rest and focus on your hips. Do 15 controlled reps.
Strong glutes reduce stress on lower back during daily movement.
To make it more advanced, add load with a dumbbell or barbell across your hips.
Limited hip rotation is another common issue. If your hips cannot rotate well, your lower back rotates instead.
Sit in a 90-90 position. One leg in front, one behind. Sit tall. Slowly rotate your knees to other side. Move with control. Do not rush. Do 6 to 8 slow transitions each side.
This improves hip rotation and reduces extra movement coming from your lower back.
To progress, hold a light dumbbell or kettlebell while staying tall.
So if your lower back keeps feeling tight, don't jump straight to stretching it again. Take a step back and look at your hips first. In many cases, the back isn't the real issue. It's just working overtime because your hips are not moving and supporting you well. So improve your hip extension, build some glute strength, and work on rotation, and you will give your lower back a break. Instead of chasing the tightness, fix what's causing it. Start with this exercise and see how your body responds. If this helped you to look at your back differently, like this video and share with someone who also struggles with tight lower back. Keep moving and I will see you in the next one. Bye!